Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani, Not Over You, and Maniology, Gloom and Doom, and MXM063. Now I've got my nails already prepped with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Moonshine Mani's Not Over You. Beautiful white with a gorgeous pink shimmer to it. Very, very nice. Kind of reminded me of my opal nails that didn't go so well here recently. So, you know, all that layer in, and look at this, a polish that just looks stunning like an opal all on its own. We're going in with our second quote. Now you can see my brush on this one's a little wonky. I have ran into that a little bit here with my Moonshine Mani polishes. I've got several that just have a fluffy wonky brush. So I'm going to top this one with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to seal it in, get it dry so we can do some playing. Now back to that wonky brush. I have taken scissors and trimmed them a little bit, so you might want to think about doing that. Look at that shimmer. Here is Maniology MXM063 and Gloom. Beautiful shimmery purple. And the shimmery orange is Doom. And we're going to use our Monocle stamper and my H. La Costadora scraper. And I'm going to do like a smushy stamp where you kind of put different dots of the polishes in and blend them a little bit. There we go. I wasn't happy with that. I need a little more orange. And I just decided to go with this. You know, the opaly colors were kind of popping, and I just wanted something that was going to, you know, kind of work with them. So I'm going to use some different images off of this plate. Oh, I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and that plate's getting cleaned with pure acetone and a finger. So here we go. We're going to hop on in here and do another image. I just wanted to mix it up. You know, these plates, my plates, one of my Maniology boxes got lost in the mail, and they had to send another one out, and by the time I got that one, the other one, they shipped it with it. So, I mean, it was just crazy. So, I'm trying to use these stamping plates just, you know, so before they get lost in the, you know, collection. And I don't want them going into the collection if they haven't been used yet. So, that's why we're playing with this one and using several different images off of the plate. That way I can, you know, see what I like. Here we go. I'm going to scoot this plate over a little bit. I love this image. It's like the pumpkin snowman. I think that's so cute. And I did that one just in the straight up, the orange color. And then on my pinky, I'm going to use just the purple. So I want to kind of mix it, and then also wanted to see what they look like on their own. So that's why I'm doing it this way. It'll work, I hope. Love that crazy spider web. So I'm going to clean my plate off real quick with some acetone. I scrub it down real good and then real quick wipe over it with a paper towel. And I also use acetone to clean my little silicone mat. So speaking of cleanup, we're going to go in with a piece of tape real quick and get some of this excess off of my skin. Make it easier for cleanup with my acetone and my cleanup brush. Just going around the edges real quick. Not much to clean up, really. The tape got most of it. And these weren't like bad colors that were staining or anything. So there we go. Alright. So now that we've got that done, we're going to top it with some of the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And this is going to seal it in. Seal the stamping in. And then I'm going to top it all off with my Poshe fast-drying top coat. Make it all glossy and plump and protected. There we go. And that is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. As always, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.